They're the biggest Christmas tree here in MOA. I have here the big boy. The big boy, Sir John. Hi, Sir John. The small boy versus the big boy. Okay. Okay, we are going down. Oh, 20 people. 20 people. We will go to the biggest, the tallest Christmas tree. Tay, sa Christmas tree, Tay. Christmas tree. Okay. Oh. See? Ha? Ha? Dito na. Ano here? Like that. Dito na. Sir John, only here. I will take picture, Sir John. Picture. You. Only here. No need. No need on the ground. Huh? Only here. We'll go down. Huh? Sir John. Time check 2:29 p.m. We are still here in Mall of Asia. Okay. The ground floor. We're on the ground floor. Oh, be careful. Here we are. The biggest Christmas tree in town. Joe! Oh. Hi, Joe. Muna ka. Yan, guys. Oh. The biggest tree. Hello. Hi. Oh, here we are. We are here. Ano, Tay? Picture na. Ha?
Center.
Tayo. Tayo, tatlo. Tayong tatlo. Sir John, you first. You go first. I can take
To take a picture of all three of us. I can.
three of us. Okay, okay. Okay, idol.
Boss G.
Okay.
A lot of those. Kaya experience daw na paano mag-ihaw ng isda.
Sayang ang ganda sana sumama nun.
Gusto niya mapanood
Idol?
paano ihaw ng isda. Wala delay.
Ay mga ha?
Wala naman ko. Wala ba kayo dyan mag-ihaw? Gusto niya mag-experience na mag-ihaw ng isda. Paano?
I order one fish.
Baka makahuli kayo gulasan.
Yeah, one fish. Yellow pain.
Kasama kayo bukas. Samahan niyo sa ano. Bili na lang ako ng gasolina.
Thank you, Dol.
Bili na lang. Paggamit mo yung bangka mo. Wow.
If I didn't have gulat nga ako to kabungot ako I would ba? Oo, mas kabungot.
Nalilito. Pastek.
Na ano, ay lang sinundo namin dyan sa Maynila. Namumuri sa pagkisa sa hotel. Nagla-live ka sa lagi. Subscribers pa rin ka po.
YouTuber din pala siya.
Ha?
Sir Jan.
Anong ginagawa
John
niya
Carlos
sa mga
nga.
YouTube niya? What do you do?
Tanong mo.
Go, idol. Go, you can do it, idol.
Bus naman English.
You're a YouTuber?
Sige, tanongin natin. Ilang piraso yung book mo?
Sir Jan, Idol Japper will ask you.
YouTube channel.
I don't really upload content. I just watch everyone.
Shower na lang eh.
Short video, Sir.
Only
1,000 plus na shower niya.
2K.
2,000. Just 2,000.
Watch hour.
Ah, 2,000 subscribers?
Yeah.
Four.
4,000.
4,000. Oh,
And 2,000 watch
2,000
hours.
watch hour. Saan kayo matulog?
No monetization.
I asked Matepo. I say, okay, Consi.
I'm pretty new to vlogging. Very new.
Ah, okay. What's the name of, what's your YouTube channel?
Well, Juan John Carlos.
Juan.
Juan John Carlos.
Juan.
Or you can just Juan Carlos.
Juan. Juan.
But you might get the Filipino singer Juan Carlos.
Yeah.
So do Juan John Carlos.
Yeah. Magjo-joke sana ako dun.
Mag-ano lang ang life jacket. Sayang. Kasi naka-ano kami kay Bus eh.
Kaya nga sabi ko yung kung tatawag muna dito. Ngayon, natawagin naman si ano lang.
Pwede kayo bukas. Siya din naman siya nagmamadali.
Bukas, hindi.
Pwede para
He can stay
pagbalik
here.
namin, susunod na araw,
Schedule daw siya na ano eh. Pupunta kay ADR ng January 2.
Hindi,
Ah.
January to, okay.
Yeah, I was gonna see April when for New Year's Eve.
You know, Merry Christmas? Yeah,
I know
Christmas.
Feliz Navidad.
Okay.
I know some Spanish.
Anong oras kayo dumating? What time did you arrive, Sir Jan?
You know what? I haven't been really paying too much to it time. But I think we got here at
Tagal pa kami sa 20
8:30.
Go! Oh, you talk to him now. Go.
Much better English than me speaking Tagalog.
He
My
can
Tagalog
translate.
is very limited.
Bro, enjoy yun dun. Sa Fortune Island. Pag nakahuli kayo, di ihawin nyo lang dun. Kasama din kayo.
Oo, Dol. Dapat si Idol Paps kasama namin eh.
Si Paps.
Paps.
O, ba't kayo sumunod?
Kilala niya. Nagsisend yan ng super chat.
kilala niya.
Si Tita Au. Si Sai. Yan. Baby JJ! Ano, ayaw. Baby JJ!
Gigi, may bisita kayo.
Baby JJ!
Ayun o, ayun o.
Ayaw, Dol, ayaw. Hi mga guys. Andito kami sa Bukana guys. Sub Sir Jan. Yayo and Sir Jan was there. Sa playa. Our time is 11:30 in the morning and it's very hot here. And tomorrow we will go to Fortune Island with Idol Japper's boat. He lent us his boat. Shout out kay Idol Japper guys. Napakabait talaga ni Idol. Pinahiram sa amin ang kanyang bangka na Kuya Gido. Lagyan lang po ni Sir Jan ng gasolina. Okay, bukas po yan guys. Bukas ng madaling araw. Sir Jan, your jeans will become wet. You can, no, this one. Your jeans. Sir Jan wash his clothes so that he can wear it tomorrow. Kaya ayusin mo nga yung kanyang t-shirt. Dapat ilipat yung kanyang kanyang medyas. Ilipat mo yung medyas si Sir Jan. Yan. Yan. Ayusin mo ma-straight. Dapat binaliktad yung damit na itim. Yung damit niya dapat binaliktad. Ha? Okay. Oh, your jeans are wet.